Hi everyone, before we start, can you please subscribe to my channel? It will really help out. And today I'm going to show you how to make money with Chat GPT using YouTube automations. Today I'm going to show you how to specifically use the best prompts with Chat GPT, how to get videos and images, and how to make money with it. So let's go to Chat GPT. Before you need to make an account. It's free, so you don't have to spend money to make money in this method. First, you write me a video script about the top 10, the best side hustle. When it starts to write you something, then you go into Spinbot, you copy it, and you go into Spinbot block, because I don't want to be sent links. You paste it here, basic spin, then you copy it. Then you go to Picture AI, wait a second, I need to make an account. Now that I've made my account, I go proceed. Then I paste it here. Base one, allow. Then I go proceed. Then this is the most important thing. If of you put marketing or business at 16:9 because it's a YouTube video, you know what I mean? Then you wait for some seconds to complete. Now that it's done, I still have to wait for a while. Now that it's done, I'm going to show you how to monetize it completely. You go and click bank. You go and click bank. Then you start a new, just make a new account. I already have accounts, so I'm going to go ahead using my testing account. Now I need to wait to log in. Now that I've logged in, this is my testing account, yeah? I go to affiliate marketplace. Depending on your niche, you can make new affiliate marketing offers. And every time someone purchases your offer, you get commission. Maybe 50, maybe 70, or maybe 30. Like if you promote this, just say you get paid $145. Imagine that $145. So I'm still waiting. Or it depends on this marketplace has many niches. So this is this is this video, guys. Please subscribe and like the video. Bye, guys.